Hello, in this video, we're going to discuss the sidecar. You could have multiple sidecars next to each other, or you could just have multiple screens showing for different extensions. In this environment, we do not have as many extensions, so there would only be 2 screens. But these buttons with the green lights are line keys or extension keys or speed dial, depending on how your configuration of your phone has been set up. If you would like to use it as a speed dial, you can literally just press that number and it will dial that extension. You can see over here that that extension is ringing. You can move off of this and then see this will just show active calls versus this one will show all extensions plus that. So you can do that over here or over here. Like I said, these are shared calls, shared lines or extensions. So you are able to monitor those extensions or those shared lines if you have a shared line set up. If you have any questions or if you would like to have different configurations, different names, different extensions, you can just simply email us at helpdesk@indianatelephonenetwork.com or give us a call by dialing 0, and we will be happy to help you configure your phones to make it awesome. So thank you very much for watching.